Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. Today we're here with our Bravo BTP 12 electric pump, and we're going to go through the setup of the pump as well as the inflation of a boat. First thing we're going to do is open up the main compartment, and inside we're going to find the main pump body. In here we're going to have our selectable pressure gauge, our on-off switch, as well as our outlet and our inlet. In our second compartment, we're gonna have our 12 volt leads, and these are 20-foot leads that we supply with the pump as opposed to the 6-foot leads that you'll find with most pumps out there. In our third compartment, we're gonna find our hose. Now this is a 6-foot hose. It's very handy for putting the pump in the center of the boat, and the hose is long enough to move around to all your different valves without moving the actual pump itself. So to get this thing set up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 12 volt leads and we're gonna connect them to a power source. Now this power source can be your 12 volt vehicle battery or your external trolling motor battery, and in this case we are gonna use a trolling motor battery. So you simply take your red to the positive and your black to your negative. So I'm just gonna hook these up to our trolling motor battery. And then I'm gonna take the 6-foot hose and I'm going to connect it to the red outlet of the pump. And to do that, we simply turn it to the right, righty-tighty, until we're tight and we're ready to go. The other end comes standard with our Hulky Roberts valve adapter. Now this Hulky Roberts valve adapter, you plug it into the boat and you simply give it a turn to the right, and that will lock and the teeth will engage into place. Now to work this pump, what we want to do is we want to take our variable pressure selector switch, and we're going to find 3.5 psi, and that's standard inflation for most inflatable boats on the market. So what we're going to do is we're going to find 3.5 psi, and we're going to hit the on button. After we hit the on button, we're going to hear two different things in our pump. So you're going to hear a volume mode kick in initially. That volume mode is going to work the pump from 0 to 1 psi. At 1 psi, we're going to hear the pressure mode kick in, and that's going to build pressure to where we have it set here. So let's watch this thing in action. So you can see at 1 psi it kicked over to pressure mode, and then as soon as this is done, you can remove your hose and you can pack up your pump. If you have other chambers to inflate, you could move around to those as well, but in this case, we just have the one. So to pack the pump away, you simply unhook it, roll your hose back up. Everything fits away neatly in its individual compartments. I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. Thanks for watching our demo on our Bravo BTP 12 electric pump.